Alright, what's going on, you guys? Gonna do a quick unboxing of my Traxxas Sledge. Just picked it up. Honestly, I wasn't thinking about getting one of these until I seen the demo in person, and I really did like it. So let's get it unboxed. I decided to go with the blue one. You're looking at the front of the box right here. 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive, 6061 T6 aluminum shock towers, VXL 6S extreme power with 2000 kV motor, ultra rigid, fully formed aluminum chassis. On this side, different color options you have: green, red, orange, blue. Over here you got another look at the RC. Another look at the RC from the side on this side. And then on this side you got the gearing chart. 70 plus miles per hour top speed, 35 being the slowest, depending on what gearing and everything you have, and battery. Yeah, right here you got a good look at the RC without the body. Extreme power, VXL 6S, large battery tray, engineered for 6S power, torque biasing center drive, clipless body mounting, aluminum shocks. You got 6061 T6 aluminum shock towers. You got the T-bar going across the top here. Over here, Sledgehammer extreme terrain tires, waterproof electronics, cast aluminum motor cradle, T-bar aluminum chassis brace, we've seen that. High downforce molded wing, high torque 345 ounce metal gear servo. And that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. Let's get the knife out. Alright, got the unboxing knife here. Let's get it open. Excited to see it. Got another one on this side. Alright. Box is open, no longer new. Now I gotta take half price if I sell it. If that. Turn it over the other way. All right, get everything else out. Got your usual stuff here, manual and some tools, some decals. We'll throw that aside. All right, your transmitter, won't waste a lot of time on that. You guys know what to expect. All right, here it is, all unboxed. I'm gonna go through this real quick because it's kind of late. I want to get to bed, but I did want to unbox this today. Take a look at it. I do like the blue body. I'm glad I went with it. You got some protection up here for the body with the plastic rails. I do like the way the wing goes across nicely with the body. I don't know how much that's going to do for it as far as it, the way it handles and stuff, but looks pretty cool. Take a look at the bottom. I do like the aluminum chassis. I'm actually surprised that Traxxas went with that, but gotta hand it to them. Looks nice, looks cool. Pretty much it for that. First thing I'm gonna complain about is for $800. I see that it's set up for the sway bars. They're coming, they're gonna have them, but they don't come with the RC. For 800 bucks, why not just, include them with the RC? Why is everything gotta be an extra purchase? But that's my first complaint. Look at the front. Arms look pretty beefy. So hopefully they hold up nicely. Let's take the body off. To do that, there's 2 tabs on each side underneath the body. You just reach in, pull outward, lift up, and then push forward on the body. Comes right off. It's a nice look at their T-bar that they added on this RC. I know a lot of people are going to say that's a rip-off of Arrma, but I'm not a big fan of the round bar on my Creighton. I think it looks kind of like, I don't know, tacked on. It doesn't look, for me, it's never been a good look. This actually looks nicer. It looks like it belongs and everything. So that's one for Traxxas. They did get to study Arrma, so obviously they're only gonna try to improve on it. They're not gonna take a step back. So I like that, looks cool. Other thing, for the motor, I do love this motor mount. It looks, you know, cool, it looks different, but how is this going to affect anybody who wants to put a bigger motor on it? Is it even going to be possible? I'm sure there's going to be a way. There's always a way. Somebody always finds a way, whether it be a conversion kit or something, but keep that in mind. Don't know how much room you're going to have there for another motor. Here's just ESC over here. The receiver box. I got the servo over here with the metal horn. So nice added touch there. Another thing I didn't like when I first seen it, plastic rods going across. For $800, I don't know about having plastic rods on this. Even though there was a Traxxas rep at the local hobby store, he talked with the guys there, and he was really big on it. He's hyping them up, how flexible they are, and he's saying that these are going to hold up great. So not going to really complain too much, but for $800, it wasn't that good of a look. So it is what it is. What else? I think that's pretty much it, guys. I can't wait to take this thing out, run it, and try it out. I think it looks cool. I got my little complaints there, but for the most part, this RC looks cool. As far as the batteries, you run two 3S going side by side. I don't know if you can stack them in this RC without getting a taller, whatever, hold down up top right here. So you run two batteries set up for that with the two plugs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You do got threaded shocks on it, so that's nice. I'm always happy to see that. Excellent. Nothing else really to do but take it out, run it, and see how it holds up, man. Like I said, if you guys have one already, let me know how much you like it. If you don't like it at all, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Throw this back on. To do that, you go backwards. Hopefully I got it. Push down, and it's on. That's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.